Morning team, it's Friday 18. Not real news today, basically. Let's see. Yeah, basically just Lagarde speaking. I don't see anything else to be excited for. Let's check charts. Let's start with item frame as usual. Weekly still there, saying nothing yet. Daily, we got another inside day candle, not of the previous day, but of Tuesday. So they're still building liquidity. When this is something I like to mark out, when they start to consolidate below a big resistance, in my opinion, it's because they're gonna break it. I mean, it's not a rule, it's written nowhere, it's just what I like to see. When they spend so much time below the resistance, I think they're gonna come over. Also, this daily BMS that we marked out yesterday will confirm my idea, my theory. But in order to do that, they probably need some liquidity, you know? So I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like this, you know, like going lower, take some liquidity, I don't know how much lower, and maybe like keep going higher. This will make sense, because I mean, this weekly BMS is like really bullish, and also even if we are getting into monthly order block, we still didn't dip enough, you know, to reject. So I can see another push higher, and then I don't know, you know, like I don't like to predict 2 weeks in advance. I have no idea. But when they consolidate below resistance, in my opinion, it's because they want to push higher. Or else the resistance would have pushed down already, but they can't. So let's have a look to hourly charts. Look at this. The possible item frame long idea will work with H12. Look, they right now they're accumulating liquidity here. I mean, these weeks are liquidity, no doubts. So I can see something like this, you know, like a push lower. Wait a second. Fair value gap here, maybe another push lower into this wick, kind of rejection on some item frame. I think it's an H4 Edward block, and then going higher. This will be lovely, you know. I think this will make sense also because you go into the discount side of the move below the 50% and push again. Anyway, so far H4, I mean, yesterday I was like, I told you, like I had slightly bearish bias, and they worked out. I marked out the equilibrium of this big wick, and indeed reacted, but so far H4 is printing lower low, lower high, even in the fractal structure. So I don't see anything to be bullish here. I think we need to go here lower. I don't know. H1 even H1 even nicer. Again, this BMS code a few days ago, I say it's not random. When Euro does that, usually means something. Indeed, they went back in premium, start to print lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we are going lower. I mean, if you just follow structure, you need to think that this is next, right? So that what looks like. Let's clean a little bit. So as I said yesterday, this was the key order block because it was holding structure up, reacted, gave up, Now we are coming back here. I mean, if we start to close below this wing, there is no doubt that it's a short game, in my opinion. Let's go to have a look at low time frame. Well, this is so far is stupid clean. Back in premium, H1 raid, M15 untested, and now we are rejecting. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't go here. I mean, I'm honest. This looks so much distribution to me. I think we need to go in 126.27. 0.27. That's enough for me today. I hope it helps. I'm gonna see you Monday.